If, as the Alabama Supreme Court says, frozen embryos are children, when is such a child's birth date? That is most likely a moot point because I don't see how the fuck a fertility clinic can now operate in Alabama. Well, IVF won't be legal in Alabama anymore. Welcome to insanity. So people have covered the real answer, but this gives me the opportunity to share a fun fact I learned last night that nobody asked for. In Bhutan, everyone's birthday is January 1st because they don't celebrate birthdays and just use the same for everyone, besides the king it looks like, though it's changing in urban areas. https://urbaninternational.com/blog/unusual-birthday-traditions-around-the-world/#:text Bhutan's %20 people %20 do %20 measure %20 the 2% 20 celebrate %20 their %20 own %20 birthdays. They didn't think that far ahead. Most religious fundamentalist laws don't. They're only children for the purpose of punishing women. They won't provide these children with any other rights or services. They don't have a birth date. They are, according to the AL Supreme Court, *unborn *children for the purpose of state law. Quotes from the opinion and concurrences. The people of Alabama have declared the public policy of this state to be that ** unborn human life ** is sacred. The wrongful death of a minor act includes ** all children, born and unborn ** without limitation, whenever they're eventually born. And can I claim them on my taxes? If so, I'm gonna have IVF and like 12 dependents. Edit. In case it wasn't obvious. Nobody seems to be answering your question. The birth date is the day when the baby is born. They believe life begins at conception, so the baby is alive while in utero, then is born on a specific day, which is the birth date. Even pro-choice people acknowledge that a fetus is alive before it's born. Ignoring that embryos probably can't be stored for 60+ years, the embryo in question is frozen and does not age or develop until implanted. Therefore, even a baby conceived 60 years ago would not be 65 years of age until 65 years after its birthday. I was wondering who will face the neglect and abuse charges for putting them in a freezer. I'm 100% sure I put my real-life children in a freezer. CPS would stop by pretty quick. My only comment on this is from now on all my pro-life relatives are getting what I will be referring to as an Alabama birthday cake. Box of Duncan Hines, couple of eggs, stick of butter, kind of icing. That's a cake, motherfucker. That counts as a cake. You're trying to ask a logical question of a ruling that is illogical. There's no answer because it doesn't make sense in the first place. If I were poor, I'd ask for SNAP benefits for my embryos. When is the child's _birthday _? Yeah, that's a tough one. How about tax credits? Can I freeze like 20 and head there and claim them as dependents? I imagine the birth date would be the day they're born, hence the name, their birth date. It's in the name, man. It's the date they're born on. I mean, you'd probably agree that a baby who will be born tomorrow is a baby, right? They're just an unborn baby, so they don't have a birthday yet. Your age, for legal purposes, is the amount of time since your birth *, not the amount of time since a government first recognized your personhood. Why aren't those kids in school? Looks like Alabama thinks conception is your new birthday. This literal means Republicans are laying the groundwork for trans fertility and the Taliban takeover of the U.S. I hate the religion that prevents enlightenment for the U.S. One simple trick the Social Security Administration does not want you to know.